Hello everyone. In your class and research, if you read journal articles, books, reports, or websites, have you ever been stuck in collecting, organizing, citing, and manage your documents? If so, Zotero can save you a lot of time. In this short tutorial, I will introduce Zotero, a free tool that helps you collect, organize, cite, and manage your research literature. First, you need to install Zotero for your computer. Add Zotero connector to your browser and add the Zotero plugin to your Microsoft Word or Google Docs. I will not introduce more about the installation part, as the main goal of this tutorial is about how to use Zotero. Once Zotero is set up, saving literature is very simple. Let's give a try together. We can search a keyword called student learning and development in Google Scholar. And then we can pick an article. If we see here is the Zotero icon, which is a connector. And if we click it, we can automatically save this article to our Zotero library. If we go to our Zotero library, you can see the article is already saved here. And on the right, we can see the item type, the article's title, author, abstract, and all information we need. After saving items, the next step is to organize your library. Zotero has a very useful function called Create a New Collection. If we click it, we can give it a title like Student Learning and Development here. We click OK, and we see we've created a new folder. And if we drag this article to this collection, we can see the article is already in this collection. This is very useful considering our articles will get more and more. And one of Zotero's most useful features is note-taking. You can add notes for your saved files. Like if you click here, you can click Add Notes, and you can write anything you would like to add for this article. This makes it much easier to remember why an article matters when you return to it later. Moreover, Zotero is also very helpful when writing papers. If we open a Microsoft Word document with the Zotero plugin, you can insert in-text citations directly when you write. For example, if we would like to add a citation for it, we can click on Add Edit Citation. And then we can type institutional expenditures, which is the article we saved, and we click it, and then we press on Return. Okay, so we see this article is inserted as a citation here. And then if we click Add or Edit Bibliography, we can see finally we have a reference for this article. So in summary, Zotero helps you do 4 main things: save sources quickly, organize them efficiently, take notes on what you read, and generate citations easily. Once you start using it regularly, it becomes a very practical part of your learning and research workflow. Thank you for watching this tutorial.